guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video. I am so excited to do this because this is something that I've been working on for a really long time. It's literally like my childhood dreams came to life in a product. So I'm gonna do this announcement video, but before I get started on that, if you guys are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I am a beauty, fashion, lifestyle, health and fitness influencer. I talk about a lot of makeup reviews, vlogs now, and entrepreneurial stuff, and literally whatever you guys want me to answer, I answer for you guys. I do some health and fitness videos, and probably in the next year, like in 2019, I'm really gonna go towards that like health and wellness kind of thing with my channel. So if you guys like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel below and thumbs up the video if you guys like this. So without further ado, let's do this exciting announcement video. I made a shoe, guys. So this is the Jessica Rich Arika shoe box, and inside of this is the So Bougie sandal, and this is something that I've been working on for literally a year. I know if you have seen a lot of collaboration videos, people probably talk about it takes a really long time, and it really does. There was a lot of like little, I'll talk about this in my next video, which is going to be how to start a business and how to be an entrepreneur video. Like there's always something that happens. It's kind of like life. There's always something that happens that's like, oh my gosh, I didn't think that was gonna happen, you know? So things like that did happen with the shoe, but now it's finally here, and it's the most gorgeous thing ever. So this is the shoebox. I collaborated with the brand Jessica Rich Collection, which is a brand owned by my really good friend Jessica Rich, and she is a boss babe. She is amazing. She's beautiful. She's everything that I look up to, and I see her work ethic, and that is how we came into like meeting each other, and then that is how I decided I wanted to do a collaboration with her shoe line. Yeah, I'm gonna just show you the shoe, and then maybe I'll talk about like everything else with like our relationship and like, you know, our friendship and stuff like that. So this is the box. It comes in like this like silky, like soft, gorgeous, luxurious box. And the shoe is called the So Bougie sandal. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's so surreal even to like look at it, like look at my name on a box. Like it's actually like trips me out. Like, oh my gosh. And the shoe looks like this. So this is so gorgeous, seriously. So the heel is this clear heel, which is what I wanted. I feel like clear shoes are so like timeless, and they just go with everything, and they just match everything. So I really wanted a clear heel, and I also wanted a clear strap in the front, and I also wanted the toes to show. I always have like white toes or my toes done, and I feel like showing the shoe and like having like this like naked shoe look, I feel like is just so beautiful. So I really wanted that kind of like sandal look. And then I wanted the ankle strap to be crisscross in the back and strap around the ankle like this. So I love the way that it looks here. I love the way that it looks in the back. I love the way that the heel is. I love that it's also gold in the insole, which originally was going to be nude. And then I was like, well, when I have it on display, because I have my shoes displayed like out, I need to do a shoe tour. I have my shoes displayed out, and I wanted it to be gold, so like your feet and like anything, like nothing gets dirty, you know what I mean? And then I do have, you guys probably, I don't know if you could see it on camera because it's like gold on gold, but it says Jessica Rich Arika on the shoe, and then in the back it says Jessica Rich Arika as well, and then the shoes come in like European sizes. I'm actually a 6.5 in like sandals and designer shoes and heels and stuff like that. I'm usually always a 6.5. I say designer shoes because you know, like the European size is always like 36.5. So I wear 37 in this shoe, and I'm usually a 6.5. And I also have really skinny ankles, and they fit my ankles. So there's a bunch of holes, and I am the smallest hole, but I didn't have to punch an extra hole, which I thought was really cool because it does wrap around the ankle and fit nicely on the ankle. So this is the shoe, and it's so crazy to see it like in real life. Like it's like, oh my gosh, it's really here. This is my shoe. Like it's a shoe that I created. Like it's a shoe that I designed, and it's just so amazing. I really wanted like this like sexy, fun, party glam shoe that can be worn to a wedding, like if you're a bride or if you're a guest. You can wear it to a dance, prom, you can wear it to graduation, a get together. It's basically like the perfect gold clear universal glam shoe. The shoe name is actually So Bougie because I feel like my style is pretty bougie, even though like sometimes I do wear like whatever, like sweats or like regular clothes or whatever. I do feel like my style is very like, I love a lot of faux fur, I love a lot of glitzy, I love a lot of glitter and latex and sexy. So I just really wanted a shoe that's kind of gives that like bougie feeling. So the shoe is called So Bougie. All of Jessica Rich Collection's shoes are like so fancy, like so something. So we came out with So Bougie as the name. I thought of it and I was like, you know what, So Bougie. I was thinking something else like So Glam or like So like something else, but then I figured I really wanted a name that's like, oh, like you really think, okay, let me just grab my So Bougies. You know what I mean? So this is the shoe. Let me just show you the other one because, you know, you want to see both shoes so you can see like the pair. So this is the pair. I love it. It looks so pretty even on the screen. Like even just holding it, it's like they're so gorgeous, you know? And the inside's never gonna be like nasty. So like sometimes I feel like whenever I have like a light colored shoe and it's like light on the inside, you could see like the toes. Everybody has like oil on their feet or like your feet like, you know, whatever, like the dirt gets in or whatever, but this won't do that. And that's what I really love about it too, because I was like, oh my gosh, it's just gonna look so cute forever and ever. So this is an amazing pair of shoes. I designed it, it's comfortable. I have test worn it. This is like the final one and it's here and it's so crazy. So I'm super excited about the So Bougie shoe. I put it on my website, arikasanto.com, and it's also available on jessicarichcollection.com. It'll be shipped from Jessica Rich's company, and it's just such an amazing shoe, and I'm just so excited. So cute. Look at that. Even just holding it like this, it's like jewelry, you know? It's an amazing shoe to have in your collection. I love it. Super duper excited. The So Bougie shoe out now. So Jessica and I, a little backstory, we met because she was like, oh, you want to wear some of my dresses? And I was like, yes, I love your dresses. I started wearing them. We came out with some apparel together. We came out with the Sato dress and an Arika dress, and you know, people bought it. She was always super successful with the dresses, and I feel like, I'll talk about this in the business video, but like when your business, you know, it goes one way and you evolve, it can go like totally different ways. It can go like this, you know? And I feel like with her shoes, it like really took off, and I thought that was so amazing. And she was like, let's do a shoe together, and I was like, oh my gosh, we have to do a shoe together. It's gonna be so amazing. So it's so much fun to be able to have friends that are so creative and so smart and so bossy, you know what I mean? Like not bossy in a negative way, but like she's so entrepreneurial, and I feel like that's just so amazing. And just watching her like do everything and seeing her work every day and like getting back to me and like helping me go through this whole process. The shoes are also available in store on Melrose at the Jessica Rich Collection store. So just seeing her like there and seeing her store, seeing people try on shoes and everything, like it's just so cool. So I really admire her work ethic, and I really admire the way that she handles business. So it was just a no-brainer. Like I was like, oh my gosh, we have to make a shoe together. That is why I created this shoe with her. And yeah, we've been friends since I met her through actually on Instagram. I met her or emailing or something like that. We met on the internet, talked to each other. I promoted her stuff, we promoted each other, and that's how we met, and that's how we became friends. And we've hung out like outside of this space and just like gone to dinners and talked and stuff like that. What's one thing I think that like really can like determine if they're your friend or not, I need to do a friend video, but is when they're there for you when you go through a breakup. And she's actually been there for me for like 2 pretty intense breakups. I know I don't really talk about dating and stuff on my channel, but she's really been there for me, and I think that's when you know like that's like a really good friend. Like that's a true friend. I need to do a video about like real friends and fake friends. That's my next video. But that's when I knew it's like this isn't just about business and like promoting each other and posting each other and like linking each other and anything like that, or like, you know what I mean, just creating a collab product. It's like she was really there for me. She'd be like, hey, did he call you? Or hey, like what's going on with your, you know, your guy, or what's going on with this guy or whatever. And like she checked in on me, and I think that's what really made me like love her so much as a friend and a person. Of course, she's such an amazing businesswoman, but like the fact that like she knew I was going through it this year and a couple years ago, and she was there for me. And actually one time, oh my god, this is like a good story time video, but one time she went up to the guy that I was dating, well, we had like broken up, at a restaurant because she saw him or whatever, and she was like, he was like going to dinner with some chick or whatever, right? I mean, I know that it wasn't a date or whatever, but he was trying to pretend like it, and she was like, oh, aren't you Erika's boyfriend? Like, she went up to him during the date and said that, and I thought that was so like, that is so cool, you know what I mean? So she's just amazing, and I'm just so excited that this shoe is here finally. And it was a long time, but it's here, and it's still so amazing and so cute. I'm literally ready to wear this. I'm wearing it in Vegas, by the way, because I'm going to Vegas for New Year's, and super excited. This is the perfect New Year's shoe, so definitely check it out. Everything is linked below. It's like the perfect shoe. Like, it's everything. It's everything. So yeah, and I'm gonna have a launch party that I will be vlogging in January, so it's just gonna be so exciting. Oh my god. So if you guys want to get it, definitely check it out. Everything is linked below. It is available on my site and Jessica Rich's site, and available in person at the store at Jessica Rich Collection Store on Melrose. So if you want to try it out, and if you live, you know, in the LA area, definitely try them out because they are really cute in person. Like, I feel like they're cute on camera, but they're like really cute in person. So definitely check them out. The So Bougie sandal designed by me for Jessica Rich Collection. Super excited and super happy, and love this collaboration so much. And 2019, there's gonna be so many more to come. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video, and we will discuss friendships, and we will also discuss how to start a business. So that's gonna be such an amazing video. So excited. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Mwah. Oh my god, it's so hard like giving a kiss with holding my stuff. But I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.